This is about Filipino barbecues, and you can see the variety of barbecues available here in the Filipino restaurants like this. So you got this chicken skin barbecue, which is 40 pesos, and then you have the chicken liver at 40 pesos and the chicken intestine 10 pesos, and then you got the pork barbecue at 10 pesos. And you also have a choice of different local sausages like the ham sausage and the red hot dog at 25 pesos. And then you have the Thai ni gano, Thai and leg. Pila na gang? 125. And then you got the chicken wings at 75. And then this chicken leg, 125. Same 125. And this is the chicken breast, pizza with wings. Pila. So the chicken breast with wings is 150 pesos. There's chicken skin, chicken liver, chicken intestine, and then the pork. Now over here you can see the different type. That's the gizzard and the liver. Pila ang gizzard or liver? 40. And then the belly, 100 for pork belly, 125 for this one. This longer, and this one is 100 pesos per skewers of the prawn. And then you have the fish grill at 150 per fish. Then you have the unsa na siya ga? Scallop tagpila 25 pesos per skewer kana. Another chicken skin 40. And then the chorizo tagpila gang?
Small 25.
And that bigger
50.
And then unsa na?
Skinless
chorizo pila
25.
So these are the choices here of the, if you're into grill and barbecue, in which what most Cebuanos really like grilling. They also offer boneless bangus at 200 pesos per fish.